What if I tell you can start a real business just with 100 to 200K and start making money fast? No big shop, no big connection, just an idea to start. Do you agree with me? In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can use that 100 to 200K to start a real business in this year. Guess what? It's going to give you a lot profit inside the business. Make sure you watch to the end of this video because the last one is the most one people ignore, but it gives money fast. If today is the first day across my channel, I'm FavourTV. In this channel, we talk about business, advertisement, online business, how to establish your business, everything that concerns business, how to make money is what we talk in this place. But right now we are talking about some business that you will use just only 100 to 200K to start. Guess what? The business will turn you to your own personal CEO in this year. Number one, we have POS business. This is when people come to withdraw and deposit money. Yes, to start this business, you just need POS machine, roadside space, and cash. Just with little money, you can start this business. If you have up to 100 to 200K, this business is here for you to start. Concerning this POS business, do you know the best part of it? Every transaction you do, you make money on it. Do you agree with me? Yes, either big or small, you are going to make money. For example, you transfer up to 200,000. For that 200K, your gain inside or your profit inside will up to 2,000 to 3,500. Yes, the more you are transferred, the more people will be bringing. From there, your business is growing. POS business gives everyday fasted money. If you have a 200K POS machine, this business is here for you to start in this year. And number two, we have perfume business. People love to smell good. Yes, that is why this business move faster now. Like this business, you can start it like buy perfume oil in bulk and put them in a small bottle and sell them in profit. You can just start this business with little like 100 to 200K. Guess what? This perfume business moves smoothly here in Africa because every blessed day people love to smell nice. That is why this business is very profitable business to start in this year. If you are looking for business that you can start from 200 to 300K, perfume oil business is here for you to jump into this year. Number three, we have mini importation. Yes, mini importation is a nice business to jump into this year. If you are looking for one business that you can start in this year, this means you can buy a cheap product in online and sell them in a normal price. Do you know that so many things you can start concerning this mini importation? You can start things like bag, jewelry, handbag, phone accessories. You can start it just 200 to 300K. This business is one of the best profitable business idea you can start in this year. Guess what? It gives everyday daily income. You can start it by posting all platforms that you belong, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, any platform that you belong. Posting them. From there, people will be reaching out to you and they will start patronizing you gradually process. Mini importation is here for you to start in this year with no stress, and this business is going to give you one of the best profitable business ever you can start in this year. Number four, we have snacks and chops business. Yes, you can start this business like make puff, egg roll, meat pie, everything that concerns snack. Yes, and you can still sell it in your area or in a school or in a traffic site because this business moves smoothly where people normally pass. Yes, either school or the area that you know people are living over there and leg is always passing there. This snack business moves smoothly. If you know how to bake like meat pie, you are going to make a lot concerning this business. Just with small capital, this business is here for you to start it. Just from 100 to 200K, you are able to jump into this business this year because it's going to give you a lot of profits. You know, chop business, snack business moves smoothly here in Africa, especially now that we are in the summer time. Yes, people like to eat it with mineral. You can add mineral to it too. Yes, 100 to 200K, you can able to start this business in this year.